everybody. My name is Michael. I'm going to be your skipper, lion tamer, snake charmer, croc the resident dance teacher, volleyball coach. And if you don't laugh at my jokes or you criticize my driving, well, I'll be your swimming instructor. What's up, camera?
Hey.
Hi. Good side. We're on the Amazon River. If you look on either side of the boat, you'll see some large-winged butterflies doing flappy wing things. And these butterflies have a wingspan that'll go from 12 inches to 1 foot. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. You really could call them the rulers of the jungle. And so it begins. This is Inspiration Falls. Now everybody wonders where that name comes from. And it gets its name because the more you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everyone's saying ooh. Everyone's saying ah. I love that. It's so inspiring. So now we're on the Congo River. Who's seen the Jungle Book before? Raise your hand. Excellent. If you've never seen it before, it's right there. And now you know. Now, the Congo is also home to the pygmy people who are supposed to be throwing us a welcoming party. Oh, supposed to, that is. I don't actually see anybody here. Canoe? It's probably nothing. Okay. Is anybody afraid of snakes? Okay. Don't worry. My campsite is right around the corner, and I always have snake repellent in case there's ever a situation. Yikes. Okay. Remain seated. We will not be stopping here. I'm not going to go anywhere near that. They can just, I'll get new stuff. That's fine. Plus side, though, quit starting that Jeep earlier. It looks like they got it to turn over. So now we're on the Nile River. Now, the Nile River is the longest river in the world. It just goes on for Niles. And if you don't believe me, you are in denial. Let's crush that. I love it. Jeffrey over here, I taught a really cool trick the other day. Check this out. You're going to love it. Jeffrey, speak! Louder. Now admire the sandstone formation. I don't want anybody to take it for granted. Anyway, look at all these animals. This is pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Impalas, giraffes, that's happening. I can explain. That is an important lesson about the jungle you should all remember. Don't ever be a zebra. Seems pretty obvious to me. Well, let's not focus on that, okay? Why don't you say we focus on something a little bit less gruesome? What? Well, that's just bad timing. To be fair, though, I don't really feel bad for them, because I tried telling them there's no way to outrun a rhino, and they didn't listen to me, so, like, whatever. They'll get the point in the end. Now, if you look way in front of us, you'll see Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls is named after the famous jungle explorer who discovered it, Dr. Albert Falls. Now, we're not going under Schweitzer Falls, you don't need to worry. However, we will be getting close enough to feel that fantastic breeze, so brace yourselves. Now, I'm sure a lot of you are starting to wonder how I landed this job at the Jungle Cruise. Is it not plain to see I took a crash course? Just trying to propel my career forward, but after the first class, it never really took off like I thought it would. So now I'm just kind of out here winging it, telling these jokes on the fly, and let me tell you, that is not even the half of it. Too hot. Too hot. Hippos are very dangerous despite their reputation. And also despite their reputation, they really do not enjoy marbles as much as you would think. I guess some lessons you learned the hard way. Oh boy. Remain calm, everybody. It looks like we've entered headhunter territories. Probably not the best place to be headed. Especially if they're dancing in a circle that way. Do you know what it means when they dance in a circle that way? It means they forgot how to square dance. Now watch out for these plants, okay? They warned me about these plants. They're very dangerous. They're called an ambush. Yeah, they're just like, when you go through headhunter territory, watch out for an ambush. And it's gotta be one of those, right? I'm not really sure what it looks like. And now it's my honor to introduce to you the world famous Bat Son of War! That's moves the waterfall. No. Anyway, we're down the Mekong River and oh my goodness, the temple's open. Oh, the temple hasn't been open in years. Well, we have to go inside, obviously. Here's what I need from all of you. Keep an eye open for danger. I'm keeping mine closed. Supposed to be elephants only. What a crock. Still, cool photo opportunity, so feel free to take as many pictures as you would like. Obviously, they all have their trunks on. And these elephants get a great amount of joy from spraying boats with water. And I'm not really the kind of person to rob joy from anyone or anything, so make sure you all stay seated. Believe it or not, standing makes it worse. Doing great so far. Of course, no visit to the Jungle Cruise is complete without saying hello to an absolute legend, an icon, and a dear friend of mine, the one and only Trader Sam. Now, Trader Sam was recently promoted to head salesman. Holding a bunch of heads. And, he's having a great sale going on right now if you're interested. 3 of his heads for just 1 of yours. No matter how you slice it or dice it, you'll always come out ahead. It's a really great deal, especially in such a cutthroat industry. Sam's a great guy too, like I said. He's tried having me for dinner so many times. Because you know how some people are vegetarian, right? Sam is what we call a humanitarian. Yeah, he's a real people person. This past weekend he had like a Super Bowl party, and I went. Didn't show up to the 4th quarter. Don't worry, didn't miss anything. And he was still not happy with me. No, all night he gave me the cold shoulder. He had some finger foods. The only member of his family that didn't finish high school either. Last week of his senior year, they caught him buttering up his teacher. Holding me to the word student body, am I right? Alright. Yeah. Still with all his knowledge, he was able to open his own restaurant, the Cannibal Cafe, coming up with new and creative ways of serving you. It's a great place. He cooks with a lot of heart. But it's not cheap. It'll definitely cost you an arm and a leg. But if you are into that kind of cuisine, I guess it really is a no-brainer. If you ever make your way over there, though, I highly recommend a Bloody Mary. Probably not so much for these kids, though, huh? Maybe one of Shirley's temples. You're thinking food's your option, though. Open-faced sandwich, you can't go wrong. I got one more, hold on. It's my personal favorite menu item, the baby back ribs. It's a good one ending up. What's up, Ashley? What's up? Well, that was fun. That's so much fun, I'll probably go again.